Welcome back to Internet Avail. In today's video, we are going to look into how can you get to make reels on Facebook in just some few steps. But before we get into that, if you do love my videos and you find them valuable, just go ahead and make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that I don't miss these kind of videos each and every time I have a new episode out there. So first thing first, you'll need to open your Facebook app. And you do that by just heading to your Facebook icon on your phone, and once you get to open the app, you need to come to the menu section. So you need to come to the menu section, and then from here I want you to head to the profile, of course to your main profile that you get to use. As you can see right here, I'm on my phone and I'm on my Facebook app. I need you to click the plus button which is above here. You need to click that plus button which is at the top, and then you'll need to choose the Reels option. So from here you'll need to choose either you want to create them from either from your phone gallery or either a template online. But for my case, I'll just go ahead. I get to choose my camera, and on my camera option, it's going to give you an option to either record. If you want to create just a live video, you can choose to either allow this option and you just create from the camera. So the other option is just choosing images from the gallery. For instance, I can just choose a number of images from here, and then once you get to choose the image that you're going to use, you can either add audio, you can also get to add text. We also have the effect section. You get to choose whether you want it to be to have different gradients. You can get to choose from there. You also have the sticker options. You can get to add these stickers. For instance, I've just added that very simple sticker. You can also get to add some text. You get to type whatever you want to be included in the video, and then from here what you need to do, you can choose you can choose to place the text specifically where you want, either at the top or the bottom side, and then from here you just need to click next. You can also choose to save so that it be saved into your phone file, and you can get to use it in different platforms, but for our case we're just focusing on Facebook. So for that case, I just need to add the description section right here, add whatever you want it to be included in the description, and then you just need to click share now. You can choose it to be visible to the entire public. You can also get to make it more exclusive, whereby you have specific people to get to watch the video. So that's how easy you get to create Facebook Reels in just few steps. If you found the video valuable, just go ahead and make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and of course I would really appreciating you going ahead and smash that like button for me.